Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. We're gonna make embutido. The meat is already in the living room. This is the egg. We're gonna put the egg inside. We put a fresh egg and double egg. And this is carrot inside the grinder. Bell pepper. Pickle release, breadcrumbs, raisin, and we need to put a fresh egg. I am not sure if the ibap need. The meat is in the sala. Huh? It's hard to grind all the vegetable. The garlic and the onion is already together with the meat. I'm gonna grind this in the sala. It's hard to move. Continue grind this. This is a protein. The vegetable is there's vegetable good for skin health, eye health. Okay. This is the meat and the garlic onion. I already grind the garlic onion. What time is it? It's already 2 o'clock. I thought only 1 o'clock. Very fast. It's not tiring in the arms. It's like I'm exercise. It's tiring in the arm. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. This is my mito.